Some gist why I hear over the weekend, no be smarting. The next thing, it can't trend for social media. Do you know? Social media, do you know that some people partner, husband and wife, that's what I'm talking about, even boyfriend and girlfriend. I hear of a husband where they measure yam, when if one come out. So that if they cut and shop, you go no. I hear of a husband where they count noodles before he come out for house. I hear of a wife where they come back, go they count pure water sachet, where they for dustbin, who drinker, who no drinker. I hear of another wife where they measure water, where they for dispenser. Hey, oh. I hear of a husband where they sign signature on top of Gary. So that if you scoop out a small Gary, you go no. Is a Bulgari? How much is a Bulgari? If they sign in real signature, whether that's CBN governor, if they sign in real signature on top Gary, where they for Pali, where they for Ike, so that if somebody collect Gary, you go no. Some husband and wife, somebody drop some water, you go quarrel the whole house. Who drop this water here? If they move your, who move my towel here? And I continue to say something before this gist. If you know that you cannot really tolerate, I think you should leave alone. No? You don't think so? People are beginning to have mental score. People are beginning to get depressed. People, they begin to get depressed because of partner. I meet one lady where they tell me, say, every day I get frustrated. I'm like, but why una come dey together? What's the problem? Then some men, their wife now wishes in human body. Hey, make I go break. I need to come back. Please follow me on top WhatsApp to send me messages. 08095975808. I go open phone lines. You be wicked partner. You be horrible partner. You feel decide to die anonymous, so please shook mouth. Why una dey wicked the people when una don't decide say una want live together with them? Why una dey wicked on herself? Some wives go as far as to confirm where a husband say he go, whether he truly come there. Do you understand? You have become Google. That's now you be. They check map. See you. You know, if you Google map, know how where and where you don't go over last week. Oh yeah, you are not told to. You are not aware. Why would they wicked to each other? So they go monitor. 1 or 2 they carry rice, bag of rice for inside the car. They come out. Why? Yeah, so that when he come back, now you go measure the rice, give them, maybe cook. I don't blame her. Cook rice, bag of rice. How much? Now it don't cost. It don't cost. Who cost? Somebody said today. All of them go talk that wickedness what they do now because forget it. People that wickedness now. I can't check myself. Over this weekend, I check myself. I can't ask people what they in around me. I wicked you in any way. So I could follow ask my good man. Have I been wicked to you? He said, no, mama. I said, I beg you telling me because I think it was wickedness in our blood. This your partner. Why you go there? Maybe there's something to it. And they come back. Hopefully this one's gonna get answered today. Not be smarting where I use my ear to hear. How far to everybody where they listen now your Chukma station but this and you Chukma. Waiting be the cause of the problem. Why you go there mean to your partner? Waiting actually they lead to ram. Some people say now based on the waskatias of some of the partners, but some of the instances where sites for here, maybe you go follow me chook mouth. Make we really know waiting they make all these things that happen. That people they're frustrated and they carry out their frustration on top there. But you know, say you can actually, save yourself all the problems and then decide to deal on your own so that you go feed do all this, I see I'm like manipulation. But chook mouth, Lagos, on top phone line where they carry myself go first. Make we just go straight to the conversation. What do you think? And if now you be the person where they do the wickedness or the badness, tell me why they do them actually. You feel decide to be anonymous on top of the show. Lagos chook mouth.
Hi, Waskatia.
No be small Waskatia movement now.
Thank you. How are you?
Ade Kajado.
Okay, now patience they talk.
Today na auntie, well done auntie, welcome.
Okay, thank you. Happy New Week.
He knew? At this in
He old.
okay, I think that starts my own since yesterday. I don't know. I don't remember again.
I don't remind you now.
Mm.
Take care.
Mm-hmm.
You know, now all these type of things they call see finish. Okay, as a full grown-up woman, when you thought them born you for this life, to consider make another full grown-up man, they can't give you. What do you expect?
Okay.
Now see finish you go dey see now. You know, say if the woman now stand up, they walk. That man no will get any right to go the sign signature on top of Ijebu Gari. Oh, to say one go sign signature on top of oil, so that you go know that they touch the oil or they not touch the oil.
Oh, but that the oil move small.
Imagine the working life where the man they live. You go count sizzling cube. Know how many way they there, how many way no they there. Check. See, some people deserve to see this type of thing so that they go stand up, hit the ground, run, and go find what they go use their life to. But if they walk, your husband they walk. Check you said nah.
I go chop outside now. I go chop outside before I come walk. God don't go let them count to sachet of pure water before I reach house.
Oh, no, we're going to sign signature on top of water.
God, yeah. Or like my phone lines, yo. Bad belly. Lagos Chukwat.
Hello, Cheche Smith Nation.
Nabi Smarty, yo.
How you do?
Are they hear things I never hear before.
Yes, so you're supposed to hear them, Cheche. See, on my own, no, I dey do them.
You dey do them?
Yes.
Which one? Which one you dey do?
The one why they do. Eh?
Mm.
Then they take, like my children, then go scatter, then go eat excess. Before you know, they don't go toilet. So now it make me, I dey do them. Like now, I dey come out now. You know, say I tell you, say my mother is play for Lagos. So waiting my mama they eat, my plantain.
Okay.
As I dey come out now, I don't count them. Because their own food go there. Then go eat and finish. Go still eat that one.
Wow.
So now it make me, I dey do them.
So as you count them now, when you come back, they don't chop. What you go do?
They not fit. I will not say they know. They don't. Their own food they down. I don't keep their own. This one now my mama own.
If
Their own, maybe say,
na your mama, why not cook and keep now? If you cook and
no,
give your mama.
I don't cook her own leaf. I buy a menu. I buy a menu. So now what she dey eat?
Okay.
Okay,
so not before your partner you dey do am, you dey do am for.
No.
And those children too, now your children too now, so you just follow do am. They can't food for us. Thank you so much, Angole. Lagos chook mouth.
Che.
No be smart in my brother.
This is Rocket Pastor.
Welcome, Rocket Pastor. You the sign signature for Gary.
My sister. You know, say some men not be man. Some men don't really know the full meaning of man. Yeah.
I bet what be the full meaning?
The full meaning of man is morning, afternoon, and night.
And who give him that full meaning?
No, and let me give man.
Is there for dictionary like that?
No, let me give that full meaning of man. Morning, afternoon, and night.
I know by that one.
Because if you cannot prepare for your family in the morning, afternoon, and night, you are not a man.
So if you don't come get work, I no support. If you don't get work,
you not get work is a different case.
So how go take to know whether I not get work or you get work? How you not take be man because you not provide?
Cheche. It takes some wicked men where we say they're born with wickedness.
That one day.
Yes, even on top of their family and their wife.
Mm.
You know they shock you for say a full man, so married man come house with full of joy, and before 6 months time begin they turn them to Qatar 23.
That woman now they tie a rope. They tie a rope for there.
You know that woman he won't present.
He they pretend he must marry. I either marry or I die. They tie a rope for there.
No, you don't want to live in children.
Make you know now children go grow leave you, but you not go leave them, but they go grow leave you.
You know what did happen, eh? Now you are always the use of the sample.
Not me.
Any man be measure food for you for your house.
I don't get right. Thank you, Rocket. Now, Lagos, we could have took
Good afternoon, Chacha Smith.
Good afternoon. They don't measure Gary now.
I dey come from Owode Lede myself, Mrs. Gogo.
Okay.
They get one when I see one time I get mad. We go somewhere, go look for something. So the man now where the wife dey sell provision and mineral.
Okay.
The wife want some bread. They come say when they bring the bread, they come. The man no, they come bring, they come call bread give the wife. I am back. Say when they go keep. I said, this one a husband. He said, no, I took one too. I said, no, this one no be husband, no. In fact, some people I don't even feel live that kind of life because I bondage I call am. I not see.
Thank you so much. The witchcraft movement between each other. And you know now what you they do with this. Like not going back to the matter. No need to hide. Come outside. Make they declare you give you your card. You don't belong to the witchery association. Make you collect your pali. Okay? No they hide. No they hide. No they go through corners. You know, but you don't they carry out this wickedness. Some they do them to even the people where they live for their houses. And the church wicked people will see himself as no wicked person will see himself as wicked. Wicked will always feel like they are right in all they do. Like my ex-guy will always tell me that if he marry me, he will be doing my family great help. That is a favor that you'll be doing your family. Oh wow. He say like if I refuse him crossing border, he will bring a girl and he will make sure I see the girl. Chacha, is that not wickedness? Meg, it depends on where you are meeting this kind of woshkatia. You know what they talk about birds of a feather flocking? Because I could not know where Jessica, where they go, they waka to meet this kind of person. How you take meet this kind of person, first of all? All right? But I'm glad he's an ex, okay? Good afternoon, church. This one shocked me to hear today. It be like, say, I dey dream for land, and God no go shame us. He no go shame us, my sister. Make everybody they walk so that this life go day. It's like, go sweet like sugar. I love you. Charity, I love you too. Church, advise Mr. Adebayo, advise women to walk. Women, they see men as trophy. And now why this kind of insult go day when a man don't see say everything will concern you day in hand? Mr. Adebayo, thank you. And I believe you they come from somewhere for this message where you sending. Women, hopefully you get to learn. Okay, boss lady, good afternoon. Now waiting at the pass through. I cry every day. I'm tired. Waiting you the pass through. Explain to me more. Waiting you the pass through really. What you they pass through, because they talk about so many things and the channel so which angle of you they pass through? Okay, we really need to know so I can know how to put mouth. Some people derive joy to see other people in pains, especially if they no get inner peace. Make sure say you put your name when they send me a message. Thank you. Your number end with 0097. This one na real war, church. How can somebody be signing on top of Gary Jebu? How much should be the Ike? The sign signature on top? So that person no go fit comot the Gary inside. Hi, churches. May good afternoon. Whether you like his own or not, it's going to, because this course is already. Okay, yet today they talk about the zoning, right? Okay, yeah, today I see you for this particular one. Hi, boss lady. My own be say whether it goes or it does not. Nobody feel wicked me because I dey walk. That one day. This is Dr. Isabella. I'm an added follower of Hey God. This one not supposed to happen now. Oh shit, thank you so much. I tell you, make you do something about them. Lagos, make I take this break and they come back. Now, when I come back, I go read more messages and then I go feed do waiting, take your calls. All right, Lagos, welcome back. I see the pick calls. Hi, Cheche. But make I read more messages. Hi, Cheche, good afternoon. How's the weekend? I had a good one. Back to the matter. My husband now money being wahala. If you ask him for money, if your reason no genuine, he no go give you. So when he dey broke, I know they give him because he run my business down. So I struggle to stand on my feet again. So I don't want to take any chances. Thank you. Nice topic. Wow. This one day, and no, before you even don't tell me, no call your name, I understand already. I already bridge for there. That man is very. I say the man is very stupid. Which of the particular man? The one with the sign signature. But you're not gonna know the story until he tell you by himself, right? Hi, Cheche. Things are happening. This is my uncle. My uncle, they go cook soup finish. My uncle go count the meat inside that pot too. He go bring out the whole meat, count them. Some days he go add the fish. I see it as there's something wrong with him. Oh wow, somebody they can't meet. Oh, Bobs. Now, okay. I think I did for fence, eh? And I not supposed to come down. When I come down. Chacha Sugar, that only cannot answer your question. If our children chop and I'm waiting, she go do. You know, answer. Do you get? So, because same question goes to my husband or wife. You don't talk, finish, Chacha. If you can take, don't go into it. If you can't take it, don't go into it. Ifeanyi, right? Yes. Not be everybody supposed really marry. I won't make you to check yourself. I they tell you. You know, say you get until you take care of, until you train yourself, until you manage yourself, until you know, so some people they go through. See, hi, Cheche. See, not be only to go. Churches need to do better. You know when they do marriage courses, counseling and things. So not be only go do this test, to do that test. You need to check people, the behavioral pattern of people, how people they take do things, who they tolerate who. Because I believe say when you agree, say we don't become partner. Both of us don't date together now. There are a lot of things where you go need to, you know, rules. You go bend a lot. You go adjust. I know they too like noise, but you born children for house. Like seriously. I know they too like noise. Then you go come their house. Their children not feel match for ground. How you think say that child go come grow to feel be able to be himself? Some their children go want to go say, hey, shut up there. Hey, you are giving a wrong step. See that child go outside. The mates go bully him. The child no fit talk. Or when the child they talk, either they lie against the child. Or you tell the child shut up. Make it listen to either where they work, where they lie. But your children, they express themselves. Like I need eye contact. You go need to tell me things anytime, no matter who they. There's a reaction. The children where they around me, you get the kind their body language where they go display like this. I go no say, this one want to say something. Something happened. This one want to tell me something. No one make person. Even when we there outside the house, a child move. I say no. I know. So you begin the worst in some certain ways, and you know they tolerate. You know, like people they give you stress. You need to stay alone. Now, what in the cause anger? You go to take them out on other people. This one say my uncle was that man, and then his wife also begin to then lock things up in the cupboard, and then they fought before everybody got talk in mind. Since we relocated, when I never get shop, any little thing I do now wahala because I know they feel support the house for some bills. Okay, now husband and wife partners we don't get wahala. You know, say this one don't get wahala for work. You understand? Then you go come they take them out on the person. I mean, we supposed to support each other. Now, why me, Cheche? I no go everly support when a woman come in front of me. They tell me, hey, my husband supposed to provide. I'm like, seriously, in this time and age, darling, welcome to 21st century. Your mates are paying bills, oh. I'm a woman. I'm supposed to be taken care of. Then next you will come quote Bible for me. But God said. So God said you should be handicapped. You will make it not work. No be you made the sacrifice for market. No be you made the say you me will be church. No be you know. Okay, we are coming. African Queen, please help me put my auto. This is my uncle's wife. That's her stocking what? Stocking 3. That's my uncle's wife. That's what she does. Counting food for all of us that are in the house. So, but the food is that my uncle that is providing. You go and sit down somewhere. You have carry your own and enter working in law. You don't carry enter now. He talks say my uncle's wife counting food. For her to go count and why you don't chop and finish. For her, you don't contribute. I remember when I be the serve for Bayelsa, and then I go follow that Bayelsa, go my auntie place for Port Harcourt. maybe I want to spend 1 week or 2 weeks or thereabouts. You go carry some things to come now. You no go buy milk. You no go buy what me that brown one? Where did they drink? You don't carry food to come house, but you they work, you they make money. You no go provide. Your uncle is providing. Now people will be like you. Something go happen to your uncle tomorrow night. Go collect that house from that woman. I couldn't tell you my mind. Hi, Shey, I love this topic. Well done. You too, well done. Cheche, please, give us extra 30 minutes. Cheche, do you know that my wife counts slice of bread? I didn't know until recently. She counts egg in the house. That when I eat, Cheche, she will be angry that I'm finishing food. Cheche, food that I'm buying. Okay. Information minister, I still defense. I don't come that. This one, a husband and wife matter now. Oga, I don't understand. How you want make I put my mouth for this matter now? Your wife, they count egg and bread in the house. Why though? And he talks now waiting in the buy am for house. Why should they count them? I go like make you ask your wife why. And they come back. Oh, if you not see my message, you not go they pray for me now. Lagos was today here for you. Somebody said they call her rocket pastor instead of rocket. Okay, almost fear more. The caller said rocket pastor. Okay, popping. Yeah, I see you. Hi, Cheche. Hope you are not on the fence today. I think I am really. Gentle G, I did for that fence right now. GMG of life, I see Cheche. You are just speaking the truth. God bless you. I love you too, Mama. You know. Cheche there, good afternoon. Please, is it true that these things you are saying, you mean people who do all these things to their spouse? Rose, it shock me. You know, when it is possible for them to do them to their spouse, imagine what they go do to any other person when no even relate to them. It they happen for real, I they tell you. This matter get belly. I can't do that. So no matter how bad your partner is, you don't have to do it. God bless you. Thank you, solution. Please, I see a picture of which area they talk about. Hi, good day from here. 2019 that I come and stayed in the so-called cousin place. I noticed that whenever you came home, you will go to the trash bucket to check whether whatever. Despite that, every weekend I give them money for feeding, but I ended being seeing sachets. You can slice bread in a minute. They don't show you too. Okay, at least you witnessed this one. Good afternoon, Church Smith. If it's for partners, some are very wicked. They will spend money outside feeding. They will come back home empty-handed. So some will give you 1,000 naira to cook, but they will give their girlfriend 5,000 outside. My dear, some men are wicked. Genevieve from Aja. Hi, Cheche. Some men are very wicked. My sister's husband go give 200 naira for food. Hi, boss lady. My own now wife, she too they hide soup. When she cook finish, she go comot the meat, put for plate, hide them, leave only one pot for me, but she go back to eat them. I don't understand. You know, explain this thing very well. So they cut the soup, comot better side, go hide, then keep which one for you. And now husband and wife now nabi. Hi, Chacha, I sent you DM on Instagram. You ignored. It's unfair, darling. It's so easy for you to just think, say I ignore them. It's just so easy. I go let you make you think anything where you want think. You don't even know. You don't know. You think so only you send that DM. 1,000 plus of you send DM also. So if everybody continue to talk, say I ignore, waiting go happen. Give me one good reason why I should ignore you. Give me just one reason why you think say you deserve me to just ignore you. Wow. More think right too. Hi, Cheche. One of my neighbor, they measure water. Gary, everything for house. You go lock water inside cupboard. Cheche, water. The wife and children suffer, no be small. God bless you, Cheche. Love you. Joy from Relay. Where this person dey now and how? Are they still suffering? Cheche, darling, my own no be hiding things, so but he dey fraudulent. And then lazy and a drunk. I work my life out. Nobody told me before I ran away with my 3 children. You run with your 3 children? So if I don't discuss all these things since you not keep this secret from me. I don't get it. Hi, Cheche. My neighbor's wife tell me say that man responsibility to pay all the bills in the house. Anytime I ask for electricity bill, I dey hear many things. Henry, wow, woo. Cheche, what a show now! Wow, it truly now wow for me. I could not know whether I don't jump down from the fence. Why they but still date for them. Cheche, my wife no know how to invest. That one day, she dey lost both capital and interest. She even lost the person who give her the capital. My brother, be careful. Yeah, it happen. So she no be everybody go fit handle business like that, okay? Maybe what you go they do now? Maybe some people like her, they need to dey follow person where know the road. People like her need to follow people where know the road, or people like her need to dey production side. You understand? Leave sales, leave managing, all those, taking inventories and all those other ones. All right. Hi, Cheche, I hear you. Nice one. My hobby, they try, but in work, no, they go well. But I thank God, if he gets, they support my business. Okay, hope you too be supportive. Cheche, you have to look the other way around also. Before the breadwinner of the house will start counting food items, something must be wrong somewhere. Cheche, you can't believe that some wives are going extra mile selling food items to their neighbor. Ibrahim Onawa. So their husbands go buy, they go sell. No, they do na self now. Now still the same wickedness that they talk about. That's the wickedness. Because you know the buyer. You have claimed to be sit at home. You don't know say a mate they sit down for house, they make millions. So you sitting at home, you don't use your sitting at home to do anything. Then you go to sell food item where your husband don't buy. Since you have decided in this life that it's only your husband that can provide. That meaning if you see tomato outside, you will never buy it. Like you don't lick sand. Hey. Hi, Cheche. My name is Roy. You're a wonderful fellow. I cherish you and all your programs. All of them, they make sense. I tell you, God bless you. My wife is the most wonderful woman on this earth. If I come back to this earth, I will search for her and marry her again. Cheche, I was abroad for years. There was nothing I was not giving to my wife and kids. As in, I was spoiling them with everything. And that was giving me joy and happiness because now the responsibility. Okay, I bought her a Jeep and sponsored her vacation abroad when I was there. Now I'm here and things are not really going well for me. And my wife is working. But Cheche, do you know that there is nothing that my wife does not give to me? As long as he can do that, she must do it for... Okay, not what she not do for you. Is that what you're trying to say? She must do it for me. Tell me how I won't bring down the heaven on this earth. If God turns around my condition again, please read. Yes, I just read it. And of course, it can happen. It don't happen before, okay? You know, be somebody when no they, one of the ambitious, when no they walk. So keep at it and then back up with prayer. And everything will work out, all right? Yeah, well done. Thank you for a very good message where you used to appreciate your wife. Hi, Cheche, please help me ask Angonika if those children that are counting plantain for, if they are really her children. Yes, say her kids. He said because they chop them. The plantain is for her mom. So the children, they chop them. So what I ask be say, if not for your mom, then you need to cook them. Then go, put them for food flags or something, give your mom since you want come out. Now, what I actually suggest, because kids will be kids. Okay? And except you set rules and boundaries like that. Some of them, they sarelo. Hi, Church, I greet you. Some partners are very woe-skin. There's a neighbor of mine that stopped his wife from going to buy food stock from markets. He said he wants to be buying the food there from the market because he thinks the wife is cheating him. The man know they ever leave change for him wife. He must collect them, even if not 50 naira. He was the first person I saw measuring yam with tape. I said, Thomas. Now the person that use a tape they measure yam. That man is coming from somewhere. He need to check himself, okay? Church, my own be saying a husband they provide and the one way give me, I use it for cooperative and I used to pay our daughter's school fees. Darling Rose, start providing too. They no write am for person forehead. Even if they write am na the person they provide, it was written to the people of Leviticus or Gentiles. This na Nigerian people now. That time flour never cost for market, yam never cost, lake rice never cost. That time, that thing where you want quote to give me now because he dey your mind. The next thing now he says he more than he was than infidel if you no provide. Are you the people of Corinthians? You not be Nigerian, you better be providing. Sit down there. Now my husband is supposed to provide. If you can't go work, nothing can happen. Now no go chop. question when no get the answer. Shey they go on top the phone and make a pick cause Ojari shook mouth.
Cheche, my love.
I dey here oh, nothing one never hear today.
Well done. You know one thing, eh? When the right hand wash the left hand, it go clean well. So if the man they hustle, you the woman they hustle, things go balance. But you know, say you get some men they say they work well, and the same thing some women, their own working level says they high. Some women not to sit down there when the man they provide. Now so then go they waste food. You will not say on a be 2 on a be 3. Why you no measure food they be say on a go eat finish at once? You can't go carry measure, can't cook excess, and you go say you no pay it the remaining after. That kind of one na working wife. Where we say if the man start to the measure food for you, me I no go talk. And he get some men, he did their hand. In fact, he get one around me. The man get money for hand. You know the great drop for the wife. The wife they also, but he no go great drop. The small way this woman gets, now he go take kata for the wife then. So because of that one, instead call they chook high, they beg people when you know the one way they hand no reach.
Wow.
That time na palanga.
But the man they chop for house too.
He go outside, go flex now.
Wow.
You go outside, go flex. So this thing is 50-50. Some men are trying, but when you look some women, the way they are taking care of the house is not it at all. They just dey waste anyhow. So all that kind of woman, may instead go hustle.
Make it say see they be, but now why are they say make everybody walking?
If you walk, everything go balance. This one drop. We go well. Not be say you sit down there, put leg in one.
And Nigeria be like a stone, kakaraka.
Wow.
Well, thank you so much, Tay. Thank you. Make I read more messages. I need to enter Palava. Cheche, it is very possible. My boss wife used to write on her milk. She did write on top of the milk. And to learn her signature cleaner and write my own when I take the milk. Hi, Cheche. Well done. I salute all of una power from Yaba. Hello, Cheche Smith. My own be said her wife where she cook finish, she go remove the meat from the soup and tell me say no meat for soup. But later she go come back and chop the meat and me self will give her money to cook and then husband and wife. She go cook with meat. You know, go test her food where they use meat to cook. You know, go know. Hey, waiting God want judge you. My own be said her neighbor too wicked. Even for her niece, she dey lock water. No person that chop, so person will drink water. Water I don't get enemy. Cheche, well done. Oh, this thing that happen, I don't see it too. That one is selfishness and wickedness. God have mercy. God bless you for your wisdom. Mama Osasi, yeah, come and see matter. This wife, the wife don't die. Cheche, do you ever know that say the man tell person where one come marry in daughter, say the daughter na bad girl. He tell the man to run. Oh, Cheche, the daughter never stay married till today. Now she never want marry. She still sit down there for him. If truly she really want marry, or she and the person like each other, and maybe Papa go come the third person. This one a word of mouth. My child bad. I beg. Benga from Ikorodu. See, some wives they cause the problem. My neighbor's wife no fit for my no fit do waiting something for house, even though she cannot buy you. I don't understand. The message they scattered, my darling. I know. African Queen, happy Mother's Day. Okay, if a couple actually act like that, now wickedness be that too. As long as they be couple, they need to share things together. Do you know that for my account number which I give you? But oh yeah, Jesus, so which kind of life why they live like a Woskatia like this? In fact, I accept. I be really Woskatia. No worry, we go amend this matter soon. Okay, give me a little time, bro. Okay. You know, so now your message I read. Give me a little time, I'm gonna amend that. Hi, Cheche. Miss Precious from Ikotu. I do support my husband. I can't leave everything for him to do. Don't leave everything for him to do. Oh. You remember one research paper where I read one time. Why men they die anyhow that year. Now say now all the family Wahala there for their head. They claim provider for where you know you are dying, you know you need help. You there and me be provider. If me no, some even go stop their wife to work. You stop her to work. You go work now. You carry out the problem for it. Tell me why you no go drop one day because stress go come there too much for you. You need to learn how to do the ones where if you do and let other. As long as you know they're lazy. As long as you know they're lazy and plan things. Another thing where I read inside that research too about people where they're born as many as they know fit train. Do you understand? Maybe not 3 people you feel afford to feed. You that's you and your partner, and then maybe 2 children. But you born 6, born 5, born 7. Tell me how you not go get problem, because it's not easy. Every day you go to think of how go feed. Not be only feed, you go still train. Not be only train, they go school. Happy now, you go cater to them now. You just carry problem bath yourself, and you are claiming provider. Then when you know if you provide now, you begin to take the anger out on people. By the time when you know I'm now, so many things where stress go feel cause for you. Cheche, speak louder. I can't really hear my own voice now. He said, make everyone their hustle. Codis, make everybody do things for themselves. Make everybody learn to put on. My question continue to be, if you no marry, you no go chop. If you dey single, you no go chop. Some people when they single, whenever they know they take care of themselves. They know they go holiday. They know they go zoo, go watch animals. They no go pay their transport fare. You marry me, now you supposed to provide for me. Thank you. Cheche, my husband reports me to elder sister for using pure water to brush teeth. That was when I have poverty. Now in the worry your husband. Pure water not be something. They don't scoop am from somewhere lock am. I been at the nylon they vex am. Say you tear that. He said I don't defend him for feeding and any other thing. He just stingy. He's stingy. Now poverty like mentality. So what you go use? You go for ocean, go carry water for Congo. Oh, you go to Malan Bridge now, make you use cup carry water, make it satisfied. Your husband, Jerry. Good afternoon, Cheche. How I'm fine. Cheche, well done, more grace you're doing. In this age and time, women should know how to handle the house and the family so that their husband no go die out of stress and hypertension. Make a husband to know the one, say in power feed do. Make it know. Say this the way you talk now. Some husband and them they purpose. She people don't talk am on top this show before. Now they purposely put pressure on themselves. Now them they even seen. Have you heard? She my colleague next Chiboy tell us one gist. Husband receive email say where they want giving wife work, giving wife salary, give her car. He hide the email. They can't find the wife come. Say what happen? And he say if they give her car now, give her say you go come they do big madam for her for house. Husband, the son, husband. No, you know they when my colleagues give the gist. So the wife go they proud. I say your wife they proud for you. If your wife they proud for you, so problem there somewhere. No, there's a situation one I never solve. Cheche boss said, good afternoon. This show is fire. I called my sister to come and listen. She didn't listen. I prefer to buy food stuff because my wife too like to do big man wife. She don't know how to manage money when I'm struggling to make the money. Because she know they make money. She don't know how to make the money. It is as simple as ABCD. Chevi doing she's a housewife. She don't know. She go hustle. By the time she go Ogun State to go and buy potato to sell in Lagos, she go no. Send this money. She go look high before she spend it. I bet they do palava now. No get strength again. Thank you. Information minister. Because look, I go break next na palava.